only the details of who purchased the bonds. We can give that straight.
Our judgment is dated 15th of 24.
Yes,
The 11th of March, the last 26 days. They are silent on that.
we can put we are deliberate. Put these in two silos. If your lordships want only the details of who purchased the bonds, we can give that straight away.
Mr. Salve, our judgment is dated 15th of February 2024.
Yes, ma'am.
We are now on the 11th of March.
Yes, ma'am.
In the last 26 days, what extent of matching has been done by you? What steps have you taken in the last 26 days? The application is absolutely silent on that.
We can put a detailed affidavit on that,
No,
because I know
it should have been disclosed in the affidavit.
I agree, madam. I agree.
State Bank of India, which is coming to us, we expect that there should be a degree of candor on the part of the State Bank of India. That this is what the work which we have done. The work is at this stage. We need an extension of time to carry out the balance of the exercise which remains.
But we have sought to explain the problem, and the work is going on, because each form, it'll have to be form by form.
It is going on to what extent you have reached?
Well, work is going on form by form. They will, if your lordships want, I can give the exact detail of how many we have covered and how many more we can cover. But they did a rough calculation. It will take about 3 months more. Because I'll tell you my other concern. I have another big concern, Malad. I cannot make a mistake in this. I'll get sued by the donor. I'll get sued by people, because I cannot by mistake say A got it when B had it.
Highest court of this country. So where is the question of you being sued?
I'm sorry, Malad.
Whatever you are doing under the directions of the highest court of.
No, Malad. If I make a mistake, if I say Mr. X got it instead of Mr. Y got it, in a hurry to give the numbers, I could create havoc there, Malad, because ultimately.
As we take it, Mr. Salve, you are accepting that there's no difficulty in giving names of the donors who purchased the bonds and the amount they purchased the bonds. You have got no difficulty in giving details of the political parties who have purchased the particular bonds. The only difficulty is matching the purchased bond with that. But 26 days, you must have carried out at least some, say, 10,000 bonds you have been able to collate, 5,000 bonds you have been able to collate.
Quite frankly, what I saw, they were struggling with it. They were making charts which we saw were not matching. I'll tell you what has happened. No, I'll tell you candidly what has happened.
If I'm not mistaken, it was pointed out to us that the bonds had some number which under some instrument they were able to.
Yes. But that number,
all has to be done.
That number is not to be found in the application for purchase or in the first set of documents. The problem is that number, when number was generated, that number has been scrambled and put elsewhere, and that number has been kept secret.